Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily type Japanese yen character on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let us get started with you. And first, open any application where you can type text. And now that you can type, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the yen symbol. So, I'm going to write any number, let it be 250. And now, in order to find the yen symbol, there are two options. The first one, this is when you type any number, digits, and so on in your keyboard. In order to find the yen symbol, you would have to first find the dollar symbol on the symbol keyboard. Press and hold it down. And now, to swipe to yen, you'll need to, without taking your finger off. You have to swipe to the left like this, and let your finger go. As you can see, you have now added the yen symbol to your number. And the second option is when you have typed some number, you will need to immediately click on this button to the more expanded symbols. And here you can also find yen. These are the two ways you can very quickly and easily type and add the Japanese yen symbol on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you friends. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write a comment, also subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.